India is mourning the death of Pandit Birju Maharaj. He was an artist par excellence. If you've grown up in India, you must have read about Pandit Birju Maharaj in your school textbooks. He's synonymous with the Indian dance form Kathak. But the little paragraphs in those school textbooks do not do justice to his life, his art, or for that matter, his contribution to India. Pandit Birju Maharaj was a Kathak maestro, singer, poet, painter, storyteller, drummer. He was born in 1938 to a family of Kathak dancers in Lucknow. His name was Brij Mohan Nath Mishra. He was a direct descendant of the first known Kathak dancer, Ishwari Prasad ji. At the age of 7, young Brij Mohan accompanied his father to musical conferences. It was there that he performed for the first time. 2 years later, he lost his father. His uncles took charge of his training. They helped him perfect his expressions, mudras and footwork. They helped him win over the stage as Birju Maharaj, Birju being short for Brij Mohan. At the age of 13, he moved to Delhi and started teaching Kathak. At 13, in the years that followed, Pandit Birju Maharaj fine-tuned the dance form, popularized it, took it across oceans and continents. His students called him Maharajji. Everywhere Maharajji went, he left the audience awestruck. His expressions, his mudras, his command of the dance made him a household name in no time. He taught at the Shri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra and the Sangeet Natak Akademi Kathak Kendra. He later opened his own dance school. The Kathak maestro also left his impression on the silver screen. He choreographed Bollywood dance sequences, lent his voice to Bollywood numbers. There was a time when Pandit Birju Maharaj would dance for 3 hours straight, sometime even hold a difficult pose for 10 long minutes. He went on to receive the National Award for Choreography. His contribution to Kathak won him India's second highest civilian award, the Padma Vibhushan. His house in Lucknow, the one in which he grew up, is a museum today. But his greatest achievement goes beyond these awards, beyond his legacy. Pandit Birju Maharaj's greatest achievement is the immortalization of Kathak. He kept the dance form alive in this age of modernization. He popularized Kathak in this age of fusion. He gave Kathak a voice through his expressions. He told the story, the Katha, of India through his dances. His elegance, his form inspired young dancers to take up Kathak. He taught youngsters to look at dance not just as an art form but as a spiritual experience. He reminded India to learn patience, dedication and discipline through dance, to learn the art of attention through dance. You know, this is the very essence of Indian culture. It views dance, it views art as a way of life, as an end in itself, not a means to an end. Pandit Birju Maharaj kept this thought alive. He kept Indian culture alive. He taught generations of students to find life in the sound of ghungroos, to connect to yourself through tal and the sound of the tabla. At a time when Western culture became coveted, Pandit Birju Maharaj reminded Indians of their roots, about the beauty of their own culture. He leaves behind an unmatched legacy. The passing away of Pandit Birju Maharaj, like Indian President Ramnath Kovind said, marks the end of an era. But such is the legacy of this Guru that even in his death, he has ensured that his Kathak, his tradition, stays alive through generations of students. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.